do your numbers actually indicate that you need a technician? Because if you have 4 technicians and you're only billing out half of their time, you don't need another technician. You need to bill out your current technician's time, right? Mm-hmm. So you're going to need to understand your key KPIs, efficiency, productivity, and sold hours per technician per day, and make a business case for it. First, number one. Number two, create the position and the pay regardless of a person or a personality. All right. So I have a position I'm creating for a lead technician or a lube technician or whatever the case may be. And I'm going to give you some guidelines on how to create the position and determine what that pay of that position is. Then you advertise to the position, right? You interview to the position. If the applicants coming in don't meet that position, they're not qualified applicants. The interview is over very quickly, right? Don't waste a lot of time. And then hire to the position and have a good onboarding process.
That's huge.
That's huge,
That's
right?
perfect.
None of this, your toolbox goes there, here's your first job.
Yeah.
No. Meet the team. Here's the toolbox. Here's the bathrooms. Here's the equipment. A whole day on the human resources, employment contracts, on the employee handbooks and stuff like that. And then on the systems and the processes. We have digital inspections. Let me walk you through a digital inspection process. A week later, you do a check-in and you supervise another digital inspection to see if they've got it, right? Put them in a position to win.